How to flip an image in Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to flip any image in Alight Motion, here's what you need to do. So it's a pretty simple or an easy process. So first thing, just head over to your image project on Alight Motion application. So let me just quickly any one of these over here. And as you can see, currently my screen or my image is fitted to my screen and it is correct orientation. So let's say I want to flip the image, so I'll simply select this layer. As you can see, I've just selected the layer of my image, and I'll simply tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and you can see there are options that is to flip either horizontally or flip vertically. So let me just quickly show you by flipping it vertically. As you can see, my image is successfully flipped vertically, and you can always undo the changes by clicking on this undo as well, or you can also just perform the same action by simply tapping on this three dot icon and just tapping on this flip vertically once again to make it change successfully. You can also tap on this three dot icon to actually flip it horizontally just like this. So it's the since it's the same image, you can always do this like this to see the changes if it occurs or not. So that's exactly how we do it, guys. Once you're successfully satisfied, you can just tap on this export button to export your newly created or flipped image just like that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.